Next to foam, a sharp knife and a heat gun, a Dremel is probably the most important tool a cosplayer will ever need. In this video we will be going over the basics on how to use one. In my case I will be using the Dremel 4250. But there is also the Dremel 3000 and even one on batteries in case you want to keep working on your cosplay while traveling or while attending your sister's wedding. Make sure to wear a mask and protect your eyes before using this. These are most of the bits you'll ever need as a cosplayer. Do not throw away this wrench, you will need it. Insert a bit into the Dremel and rotate it while pressing the lock to tighten it. Never press that lock while using the machine. Dremel also has this handy extension part in case your Dremel is too big. It even comes with a handy stand so that it does not get in the way. Then you can switch it on. You can choose how hard it goes by turning the wheel. The harder it goes, the easier it will be to remove material. Most cosplayers use Dremels to sand off edges of their foam. The bit turns clockwise, so make sure to Dremel away from you. This way you end up with the smoothest result. If you would Dremel towards you, you will end up with some nasty bumps. When you come to the end of the line, just turn the prop around so that the bit doesn't jump off. You could also use this to sand down your foam when you have multiple layers. This way you will have less fill work at the end and it will look like one solid piece. A Dremel is also perfect to make a slit in your foam, so that you can put a core inside to strengthen your prop. Of course, when you start drilling, it will probably jump off and get messy. That's why I prefer to angle the Dremel to the point it supports itself and then firmly press it into the foam. Then you can just slowly make a line. If you press the Dremel into the foam vertically, you will get a nice bolt effect. I often see people struggling to replace the sanding bit. That's why you need that wrench. Just unscrew the top and it will be way easier to replace it. A Dremel also comes with a drill bit. This is very handy to drill some holes without needing an additional power tool. It even has a circular saw that easily cuts through PVC and can even cut through metal, though be very careful when using this. Lastly, there is the sanding stone. As a cosplayer, you can probably use this to get, for example, a metal texture. Now that you know the basics, you can start using a Dremel. Follow CosplayShop.be for more tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next one.